Alright, swing arm is done. It's all bolted up, everything's torqued. Got the swing arm spools from that one down there. I had to remove a broken bolt that was in here. That was fun. If you guys ever have to remove broken bolt, left-handed drill bits. The hole was all chewed, so I had to retap that. Not a big deal. So I got the spools on there. Once I get the back tire on, I'll hang the back end up, swap out my stands, or actually I'll just, once the tire's on, I'll just drop it and put a spool stand on it. We got the front brakes put on. There's no brake lever because I had to crack this bolt, one of these bolts, this one right here, had to crack that one loose to be able to get the nut, or I had to crack the banjo bolt to get this bolt out. So it's got a little air in it, so I have to bleed those. Got the other frame totally torn down. There's the front shocks. Hopefully when my guy takes this over to get the front brain fart seals done, hopefully they can use those tubes if they're not bent, because these tubes are just a little chowdered. Let's see, got this control on, didn't even have that, so I still got a, not a big deal. I think I'm gonna start putting some tools away because it's starting to get a mess. Put some tools away, put them back in the box, get the cart all cleaned up, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. The back's been hurting, but that's neither here nor there. I've got rear sets pulled off the old frame, so I can go ahead and get those mounted. There's the ones for the back brake right there. I have to move over the foot peg because, yep, it's slowly getting there. Just wish my parts would hurry up and show up. Because I do believe once I get that taken care of, sealed up, I can put oil in it. Still need to swap over the sprocket, but I can still put oil in it and test fire it. And hopefully that stator's putting out a charge, because the other one was totally effed up. But we're getting there. It's starting to become a bike. My parts pile is growing. There's the old flywheel stator. Came off of this bike. Right there. The old shock and stuff. Yep. She's getting there. Yeah, I went ahead and swapped the shocks because that one's just a couple years new, or this one's a couple years newer than that one. So that's where we're at now.